we make probably one of my all-time favourite pasta dishes. I've been doing it over a decade. It's tricolor pasta. At home we call it cold pasta. So it's got some tomato pasta there, some spinach pasta, and the regular durum wheat pasta there. So it just comes in a pack. So I boiled this and cooled it down. I boiled the pasta in that I used to cook the pasta. I'll just add the cooled down pasta into there because it's a really big pan and it'll be easier to stir because lots of ingredients going in here now. So here we have some white cabbage, half a kilo, 2 peppers and half a cucumber. I'm going to add that all into the cooled down pasta pot. Next I'm going to add some minced sauce, about half a teaspoon into there. Then some vegan mayo, 3 tablespoons. Then season to taste, I'm going to put a tablespoon of coarse salt and some pepper. I'm also going to add some lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Use fresh if you've got it. I haven't got it at the moment. I had some chicken tikka, vegan one. I found this in the supermarket, so it's going to be my first time trying this. Usually I put chunks of cheese in there and pineapple because those two things marry each other very well. And it's nice to have a different texture in there. It will go well with the pasta. I'm going to add 2 of these. Next, to add even more texture, I'm going to add some mixed seed. And my favourite ingredient to add to the cold pasta is always coriander. I've just added chives as well. Sometimes I use red onion, but today I've used 3 tablespoons of chives, and feel free to add some sweet corn in there. I always do with the chunky cheese and pineapple mix, but today I'm going to leave that out because I've got some yellow peppers in there. If your peppers are a different colour, then that would look really nice. Set about stirring this big pot. It will serve 6 very hungry people, so it's a good meal to have ready, and you can always, if there's any left over, you can always take it to work with you in a lunchbox. Very good stir now. Let's serve this up. Smells beautiful. Just add a few more things on top just to finish off.